Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Equinox to ACC or on, because the infotainment module must be awake to accept pair requests. Once the screen lights, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your phone is discoverable so the system sees it immediately. Place the phone within a few feet of the center display and disable other paired devices so the car doesn't auto-prioritize them. This avoids confusion. Now, press the phone or Bluetooth icon on the screen to start pairing. When the My Link phone menu appears, choose Pair Device or Add Phone because that initiates the discovery handshake. On your phone, tap the vehicle's name. You'll see a 6-digit PIN. Confirm that both the screen and phone match, then accept. Once paired, the system asks to sync contacts and allow audio streaming. Grant those to enable hands-free calling and media playback. If you want this phone used first, mark it as priority in the paired devices list so the car reconnects automatically. Finish by making a quick test call and playing audio to verify both microphone and media streaming work. Make sure the radio source is set to Bluetooth. If the phone won't connect, remove the vehicle entry from your phone and delete the phone from My Link, then restart the phone and cycle vehicle power. This clears transient handshake errors. If problems persist, reset your phone's network settings, then pair again. This resolves corrupted Bluetooth stacks without affecting your other car settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.